So compound angles. The angles of the form a plus b, a minus b, a plus b plus c, or else a plus b minus c, or 2a plus b minus 3c, etc. are known as compound angles. If you write a, there is a simple angle. A plus b is not a simple, it is a compound. So the sum or the difference, sum or difference of two or more angles, either a and b or else more than two angles. So the sum or difference of two or more angles is called a compound angle. So the theorem, it's a very important theorem. Almost all the years it is appeared in 6 mark actually. You need to practice it properly. See, this is the statement. Prove geometrically that cos of x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, and hence show that cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. It's there in the model question paper. So very first year 2014 6 mark. Almost all the years it is appeared in 6 mark section. Consider a unit circle, a circle with the center at origin. Consider a unit circle, a circle with center at origin. Unit circle means the radius is 1 unit. Let us take a point P here. Since the point P is on the circumference, OP is 1 unit as it is a unit circle. Since the point lies on x-axis, y coordinate should be 0. Since this is 1 unit, so 1 comma 0. 1 comma 0. Let me take a point P1, a point P1 on the circle. Join OP1. Join OP1. So this is the angle with the positive direction of x-axis. With the positive direction of x-axis, it makes an angle x, let us say. It makes an angle x. Okay. So let me take one more point here. P3, another point P2. P2 I choose. I'll choose the point P2. So P1 O P2 makes an angle Y. Makes an angle Y. Say this. So P1, P2, P3, say this is P4. Angle P4 O P1, P4 O P1 is x unit. This amount of rotation is x unit. From here to here, P1 O P2 is y unit. So that the angle, this complete angle should be from here to here. Okay. P4 O P2 should be x plus y, x plus y, x plus y, and this angle P4 O P2, P4 O P2, I just join P3 O P3. Look at this one. P4 O P3. This is the amount of rotation is along the clockwise direction. Therefore, it should be a negative measurement, minus y. Angle P4 O P3. P4 O P3 is minus y. Let P4 O P1. Angle P4 O P1 is x unit. Angle P1 O P2 is y unit. Then the total angle P4 O P2, this complete angle should be x plus y. P4 O P2 is x plus y. Also angle P4 O P3 is minus y unit. Okay, so join P1 P3, and of course P2 P4, this angle is minus y actually. Okay, this is the amount of rotation. Okay, so angle P4 OP1, is x unit, P1 OP2 is y unit, this angle is y unit, so that angle P4 OP2 is x plus y unit, whereas P4 OP3, so that is this rotation is negative direction, so that is minus y unit. Now observe the triangles P1 OP3 and P4 OP2. So this is radius. In this triangle, this and this are radius. Even these two are also equal. So they are congruent triangles. Okay, congruent triangles. Observe the coordinates of the point P. P1, P4. See, for example, see, this is a circle with the center at origin. Say this is the point P, let us say. I just join this. If I take this as the angle A, from the point P drop a perpendicular, okay, OM, PM is perpendicular to x-axis. Since this is the angle A, the side opposite to angle A is opposite side, which is PM. This is 90 degree. Opposite to 90 degree is OP, which is the radius. Okay, and OM is the measurement along x-axis. In general, this is x unit, PM is y unit. So that sine of the angle theta, sine of the angle A here, sine A is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse side. Opposite side is what? Y. Hypotenuse is what? R. So since we have taken a unit circle, the radius is 1 unit, so radius is 1 unit. So that's why y is equal to sine of the angle A, and cosine of the angle A is equal to, as per the definition, cos theta is adjacent side OM divided by hypotenuse side OP. Adjacent side is x, divided by hypotenuse is radius. Since the radius is 1 unit, x is equal to cos A. X is equal to cos A. Therefore, the point P, x comma y, x comma y. If the angle is A, x is cos A comma sin A. This is how we write the coordinates of the point P. Okay. So Cartesian coordinate in terms of r and theta, polar form. So that is x comma y means cos A comma sin A. Suppose if the angle is theta, cos theta comma sin theta. Okay. If the angle is x means cos x comma sin x. If the angle is y means the point P should be cos y comma sin y. If the angle is x plus y means cos of x plus y comma sin of x plus y. Suppose if the angle is minus y means cos of minus y comma sin of minus y. Okay. So that is how we are going to obtain the coordinates. So clearly the point P1, observe the point P1. So here this makes an angle x, So the coordinates of the point P should be cos x comma sin x. Cos x comma sin x. And the point P2, observe the point P2. From the x-axis, it covers an angle of x plus y. From here to here, it covers an angle of x plus y. The coordinates of P should be cos of x plus y, comma sin of x plus y. Cos of x plus y, comma sin of x plus y. And the coordinates of the point P3. Observe the point P3. So this covers an angle of minus y. Therefore, coordinates of P should be cos of minus y, comma sin of minus y. Cos of minus y, comma sin of minus y. And P4 on the x-axis y coordinate is 0. O P4 is 1 unit. That's why 1 comma 0. So therefore, hence coordinates of the point P. Hence, coordinates of the coordinates of the points are P1 is equal to cos x comma sin x, cos x comma sin x. P2 is equal to P2. The point P2 from here to here covers x plus y. That's why cos of x plus y, comma sin of x plus y. This is the coordinates of the point P2 and the P3. So it covers an angle of minus y. So coordinates of P3 should be cos of minus y, comma sin of minus y. Okay. And P4 is equal to 1 comma 0. 1 comma 0. So the coordinates of P1, P2, P3, P4 are respectively, these are the points. Clearly, P1, O, P3 and P4, O, P2 are congruent triangles. So therefore, the sides P1, P3 is equal to P2, P4. Consider the congruent triangles P1O P3 and P2O P4. So clearly the sides are equal, P1 P3 is equal to P2 P4. Apply the distance formula to get the distance P1 P3. P1 P3 means x1 minus x2. What is the distance formula? We have a distance formula x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So this is the distance between 2 points A and B. Correct, So this is the distance formula. I just make use of this distance formula to find P1 P3 and P2 P4. P1 P3 means, yes, cos x, x2, P1 P3. Let me write. So cos of minus y, x2 minus x1 means cos of minus y, or else you can write cos x minus cos of minus y. x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. You can write y1 minus y2 also. Sin x minus of sin of minus y. Sin of minus y the whole square under root is equal to P2 P4. So x1 minus x2 means 1 minus of cos of x plus y, x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2, that is 0 minus sin of x plus y, sin of x plus y the whole square under root. So I just apply the formula x1 minus x2 cos x minus cos of minus theta. But what is cos of minus theta actually? Since minus theta lies in the fourth quadrant, so only cos and its reciprocal secant are positive as per the ASTC rule, whereas sin of minus theta means minus sin theta. Now I don't want to square on both sides. If I square on both sides, square root gets cancelled. This becomes cos x minus cos of minus theta is plus cos theta, cos x minus cos y the whole square plus sin x. What is sin of minus theta? Sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. Sin of minus y means minus sin y. Already minus we have, minus of minus plus sin y. Sin x plus sin y the whole square is equal to 1 minus cos of x plus y, cos of x plus y the whole square plus minus sin theta whole square means sin square theta only, sin of x plus y the whole square. Okay, so minus into minus plus it becomes, a minus b whole square. Expand this one, that is cos square x plus cos square y minus 2a into b, cos x into cos y, cos x into cos y plus a plus b whole square formula you expand. A square means sin square x plus b square is sin square y plus 2ab, 2 sin x into sin y, sin x into sin y is equal to here 1 minus this a minus b whole square formula, 1 square 1 only plus cos theta whole square means cos square theta, correct, plus sin square theta. Of course this is minus, a minus b whole square means a square plus b square minus 2ab minus 2 into a is 1 into b is cos of x plus y. This is the expansion of a minus b whole square plus sine square theta. Sine theta whole square means sine square theta we can write. See this? Cos square theta plus sine square theta, it becomes 1. Here also sine square x plus cos square x. I just collect those together. Cos square x plus sine square x. Then cos square y plus sine square y. Cos square y plus sine square y. Then between these two, here and here, okay, between these two I just take minus 2 common. If I take minus 2 common, cos x cos y, cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, sin x sin y is equal to 1 plus, say this, cos square x plus y sin square x plus y together, that becomes 1 again. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1, you know. These two together minus 2 cos of x plus y, 2 cos of x plus y. Okay, see this, this is 1 plus 1 minus 2 times cos x cos y, cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y is equal to 1 plus, this is also 1, you know, cos square theta plus sin square theta identity, minus 2 times cos of x plus y. Okay, see here, 1 plus 1 2, here 1 plus 1 2, so 2 and 2 gets cancelled, this side means minus 2, you know? So minus 2 times cos x cos y minus sin x sin y is equal to minus 2 times cos of x plus y. Here we have minus 2, here also minus 2 we have. We can eliminate minus 2. Therefore, cos of x plus y is equal to, cos of x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Cos of x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Okay, this is the proof of the theorem. Okay, so you need to practice this. It is a guaranteed question under 6 mark section. For this one you get 5 mark along with figure. Without figure you won't get even a single mark. Okay, so another part is, we have a other part, that is hence show that cos 2x they are asking. What you need to do here is, say some equation 1. Replace y as x, put y is equal to x, so cos of x plus x 2x, cos x in place of y x, you know, cos x into cos x means cos square x, so sin x is there, in place of y you replace x, so sin x into sin x is sin square x, that's why cos x plus x, cos 2x equals cos square x minus sin square x, hence the result. That carries another 1 mark, which is a last mark. So 6 mark section, so it's a simple derivation. If you understand properly, so easily you will get 6 mark. Okay, please practice it properly. we know that cos of x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Just now we have proved this result, So in this one, you just replace y as x, put y is equal to x. So then cos of x plus x, wherever you find y, you just replace x. Cos x in place of y, x minus sin x into, in place of y, sin x. Cos x into cos x means cos square x minus sin x into sin x means sin square x. Therefore, cos 2x is equal to cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. This is what they have asked, and hence show that cos 2x equals cos square x minus sin square x. This is the proof. So in place of y, you just replace x. That's it. Again, case 1, first case. In this expression, put y is equal to minus y. Put y is equal to minus y in equation 1. We get cos of x plus, in place of y minus y is equal to cos x into cos of minus y minus sin x into sin of minus y. We know that sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. So because minus theta lies in the fourth quadrant as per ASTC rule, so C stands for cos and its reciprocal secant or positive, whereas sin is negative. So cos of sin of minus theta is minus sin theta, whereas cos of minus theta is plus cos theta, So sin of minus y means minus sin y. Minus into minus plus sin x sin y. Whereas cos of minus y means plus cos y only. That means cos x into cos y. Therefore, cos of x plus into minus minus. Cos of x minus y. Cos of x minus y is equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Say some equation 2. So this is actually equation 1. This is the derivation. Suppose in the derivation they ask cos of x minus y. Prove geometrically. If they ask, you just prove cos of x plus y and replace y as x. Then case 2. Case 2. Let us find out sin of x plus y. Sin of x plus y can be written as cos of, by using allied angles, cos of 90 minus theta. What is cos of 90 minus theta? 90 minus theta, first quadrant, all are positive. So cos changes to sin, since this is odd multiple of 90. 1 into 90, 3 into 90, 270. For 90 and 270, trigonometric function changes. Correct, So cos of 90 minus theta is sin theta only. Theta here is x plus y we have. See, I just made a little arrangement. This can be written as 90 minus x. Remove the bracket. Minus x minus y. Now this is of the form cos of x minus y. Use the first result in place of x. Use the second result number 2, in place of x 90 minus x. Okay, so in place of x 90 minus x you are supposed to write. That means cos of x minus y formula, cos of x minus y formula, that is cos of 90 minus x into cos y plus sin of x means 90 minus x, sin of 90 minus x into sin y. What is cos of 90 minus x? That is sin x. 90 degree means trigonometric function changes, cos changes to sin x cos y, sin x cos y. Sin 90 minus theta means cos theta, that is cos x sin y, cos x sin y, cos x sin y. Therefore, sin of x plus y is equal to, sin of x plus y equals sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. This is another result, another formula you are supposed to remember. Say some 3. So put y is equal to minus y in equation 3, let us say, in equation 3. So that is sin of x plus, in place of y minus y, sin of x plus minus y is equal to sin x into cos of minus y plus cos x into sin of minus y. What is sin of, cos of minus x? Cos of minus y means plus cos y, fourth quadrant. Cos x into sin of minus y means minus sin y, plus into minus minus. So therefore sin of x minus y is equal to, sin of x minus y is equal to sin x cos y minus cos x sin y, because sin of minus theta is equal to, sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta, whereas cos of minus theta is plus cos theta, that's why. So these are the 4 results you are supposed to remember. If none of the angles x, y and x plus y is an odd multiple of pi by 2, none of the angles x, y and x plus y is an odd multiple of pi by 2, then we need to prove tan of x plus y is equal to tan x tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. Solution. Since none of the x, y and x plus y is an odd multiple of pi by 2, it follows that cos x, cos y and cos of x plus y are non-zeros. Now I just take the left hand side, tan of x plus y. The quotient relation for tan theta is sin theta divided by cos theta. So sin of x plus y divided by cos of x plus y. Sin of x plus y divided by cos of x plus y. We have a formula sin of x plus y in result number 3 and cos of x plus y in result number 1. Look at the result number 1. Cos of x plus y means cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Whereas sin of x plus y in result number 3, sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. You just substitute there. That is tan of x plus y is equal to sin of x plus y divided by cos of x plus y. What is sin of x plus y? sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. What is cos of x plus y? Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Now we are supposed to prove tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. I should get 1 here means, so you should eliminate this quantity. So divide by cos x cos y. If you divide only for the numerator, imbalance agbidutte. So divide both numerator and denominator by cos x cos y. So I just divide both numerator and denominator by cos x cos y, thus divided by cos x cos y, thus divided by cos x cos y, thus divided by cos x cos y completely gets cancelled, thus divided by cos x cos y. Here cos y gets cancelled, cos x gets cancelled. What is sin x by cos x? Tan x plus sin y by cos y means tan y, whole divided by 1 minus, again sin by cos is tan x, sin y divided by cos y means tan y, sin y divided by cos y is tan y. So therefore tan of x plus y, tan of x plus y is equal to tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. So this is the fifth result you are supposed to remember. See, cos x cos y or cos of x plus y, none of the angles x, y and x plus y are odd multiples of pi by 2. Why? Because odd multiples of pi by 2 is 0, cos of odd multiple of pi by 2 is 0, anything divided by 0 is not defined. That's why that condition is important. Okay, hence the result, or a simple result. So similarly, if you replace y by minus y, you get tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x into tan y. Okay, that is result number 6 actually. Replace y by minus y in equation 5, or else you can follow the same method. Okay, so tan of x minus y equals sin of x minus y divided by cos of x minus y. You get the same thing. If I replace y by minus y in equation 5, we get tan of x plus, in place of y minus y, is equal to tan x plus tan of minus y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan of minus y. What is tan of minus theta actually? Minus theta lies in 4th quadrant. In the 4th quadrant, only sin and cos are positive. Cos and secant are positive. This is tan means minus tan theta. So therefore tan of x minus y plus into minus minus, tan of x minus y is equal to tan x, tan of minus y means minus tan y divided by 1 tan x, tan of minus y means minus tan y, minus into minus plus. So therefore tan of x minus y is equal to tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x into tan y. Okay? If none of the angles x, y and x plus y is a multiple of pi, then show that cot of x plus y is equal to cot x cot y minus 1 divided by cot y plus cot x. Cot of x plus y can be written as cos of x plus y by sin of x plus y. What is sin pi? Sin pi is 0. Anything by 0 is not defined. That's why it is multiple of pi. Whereas for tan of x plus y, x, y and x plus y are multiple of pi by 2. So then it is not defined. So here multiple of pi. Okay? Since none of the angles x, y and x plus y is a multiple of pi, so none of the angle is multiple of pi. So sin x, sin y, sin of x plus y are non-zero. If they are 0, so anything divided by 0 is not defined. That's why this is the condition we need to have. Okay, consider LHS. Cot of x plus y. The quotient relation for cot is cos by sin, cos of x plus y divided by sin of x plus y. Sin of x plus y. So what is cos of x plus y? Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y divided by sin of x plus y means sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. What you are supposed to prove? Cot of x plus y equals cot x cot y minus 1 minus 1 we should get. Here minus 1 means I need to eliminate this. So divide both numerator and denominator by sin x sin y. I should get 1 here, whereas in case of tan, here I should get 1 in the denominator. That's why cos x cos y in the divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin x sin y in the divide ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So that is cot of x plus y is equal to So this divided by sin x sin y, this divided by sin x sin y, this by sin x sin y, this by sin x sin y. Here completely gets cancelled, whereas here sin x gets cancelled, here sin y gets cancelled. We are left with cos by sin, cot Cos y divided by sin y means cot y minus 1 divided by here cot y plus cot x. Therefore cot of x plus y is equal to cot x cot y minus 1 divided by cot y plus cot x. This is the result number 7 actually. Next, you just replace y by minus y. Put y by minus y in equation 7. So that is cot of x plus of minus y is equal to cot x into cot of minus y minus 1 divided by cot of minus y plus cot x. So now this is equal to minus cot x cot y, because cot of minus theta is minus cot theta, you know, because cot of minus theta is minus cot theta divided by minus cot y plus cot x. I just take minus common in the numerator, even in the denominator. Cot x cot y plus 1 divided by, so cot y minus cot x, minus minus gets cancelled. Therefore, cot of x minus y is equal to cot x cot y plus 1 divided by cot y minus cot x. This is another result you are supposed to remember. 8th result.